Hey there, welcome back to Investing in the Web. Have you ever thought about investing in the Middle East's largest economy but didn't know how? Well, today's your lucky day. We're diving into how you, as a foreign investor, can invest directly in Saudi Arabia's stock exchange, including buying shares of the oil giant Saudi Aramco. Until recently, investing directly in Saudi stocks was nearly impossible for foreign investors. You either had to be a local resident or jump through hoops with local brokers. But guess what? Things have changed. On October 9th, 2024, Interactive Brokers, IBKR, announced a partnership with SNB Capital, making it the first global broker to offer foreign investors direct access to the Saudi stock exchange. This means you can now buy Saudi stocks directly, without the need for a local broker. We'll show you step by step how you can invest in Saudi stocks through IBKR later in the video, so keep watching. Let's start with a quick overview. The Saudi stock exchange, known as Tadawul, is the largest in the Middle East and ranks among the top 10 globally. It's home to over 415 listed securities across 22 sectors, including the world's most profitable company, Saudi Aramco. Key facts. Market hours from Sunday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. local time. The currency is in Saudi Riyal, or SAR. The main index is the Tadawul All-Share Index, the TASI. In 2019, Saudi Aramco made history with its IPO, raising a staggering $25.6 billion by selling just 1.5% of the company. But there was a catch. It was only available on Tadawul, making it tough for international investors to get in on the action. Previously, if you wanted to invest in Saudi stocks, you had to open an account with an exchange member like Emirates NBD Bank or Saudi Awal Bank. For most of us, that was a bit of a hassle. Alternatively, many turned to contracts for difference, CFDs, through platforms like eToro to gain exposure without actually owning the shares. But here's the exciting news. Recently, Interactive Brokers, IBKR, announced a partnership with SNB Capital, making it the first global broker to offer foreign investors direct access to the Saudi stock exchange. This means you can now buy Saudi stocks directly without the need for a local broker. Let's walk through how you can start investing in Saudi stocks using Interactive Brokers. Step 1. Open an account with Interactive Brokers. If you don't have an account yet, head over to their website, link in the description below, and sign up. It's straightforward and fully online. Step 2. Request trading permissions for Saudi Arabia. After signing up to Interactive Brokers, you will need to follow the following steps. Navigate to the user and click in Settings. Select Account Trading Permissions. Select to add stocks. And finally, select Saudi Arabia and click Continue. Review and acknowledge legal documents and click Continue. A final message appears stating your request to change trading permissions was submitted. Step 3. Purchase Saudi Aramco stock. After getting the permissions and funding your account, you can place a buy order for Saudi Aramco shares on Tadawul. Remember, Tadawul trades in Saudi Riyal, so you'll need to convert your currency. IBKR offers competitive conversion rates. On the Interactive Brokers web portal, search for 2222 and select the first option. Click Buy. Select your trading details. In number of shares, we have selected 1000. Order type. We chose a market order for simplicity. Click Preview to see estimated commissions, and your order has been submitted. Please note that the order is pending because I did this investment on a Friday. Since the Saudi stock exchange is open from Sunday to Thursday, my order was pending. Otherwise, you would already be an Aramco shareholder. Now, if you're not ready to jump into direct investing, there are other ways to gain exposure to Saudi stocks. Option 1, CFDs through eToro. Platforms like eToro offer CFDs that allow you to speculate on stock price movements without owning the actual shares. It's a simpler entry point, but comes with its own risks, like leverage and not having shareholder rights. Option 2, ETFs via Trading 212 or other broker. For European and UK investors, ETFs like the iShares MSCI Saudi Arabia ETF, ticker IKSA, are available on platforms like Trading 212 or Interactive Brokers. This ETF provides diversified exposure to the Saudi market. Trading 212 offers a free share worth up to €100 if you sign up up using our promo code IITW. Before you dive in, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Oil price volatility. Saudi Aramco's performance is closely tied to oil prices, which can be unpredictable. Geopolitical factors. Political instability in the region can impact your investments. Currency risk. Fluctuations in the Saudi Riyal exchange rate can affect your returns. Despite the risks, there are compelling reasons to consider investing in Saudi Arabia. Economic transformation. Under Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia is diversifying its economy beyond oil, investing in sectors like technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. Market growth. The Tadawul is one of the fastest growing stock exchanges, offering unique investment opportunities. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how you can invest in Saudi Arabia's stock exchange and become a shareholder of Saudi Aramco. With platforms like Interactive Brokers breaking down barriers, it's never been easier for foreign investors to tap into this market. Whether you choose direct investment, CFDs, or ETFs, the Saudi market offers exciting opportunities for diversification. Check the links in the description below, explore the websites, and decide for yourself. Thanks for joining us on this investing journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Investing in the Web for more insights on global investment opportunities. Got questions or need further guidance? Drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy investing.